Okay, hello everyone. I have a review port which has no toolbars, no? And then we only have a command line or command which you can type the commands. So we are using the shortcut keys for the AutoCAD commands. Like for instance, the line, I just type L in the command line, L and then space. So that is line. So the next thing to do is specify first corner. So I just left click here and then through the x-axis I drag the mouse to this end here, and then through the y-axis I drag the mouse to this end corner, and then okay, so there you go, you have lines, a series of lines. So I just input the command. Just type L and then space. Okay. In order to repeat the command, just hit the space bar button of your keyboard. So ma-repeat na. Okay. That is for the line using shortcut key.